Hi, everyone. We have a fun scarf song to share with you today. It's called My Scarf Has Four Corners. And if you don't have a scarf at home, you could use a napkin like we are using today or a tissue. Okay, here we go.
My scarf, it has four corners has my scarf, and had it not four corners, it would not be my scarf. 1, 2, 3, 4. My blanket has four corners has my blanket, and had it not four corners, it would not be my blanket. 1, 2, 3, 4. My pillow has four corners has my pillow, and had it not four corners, it would not be my pillow. 1, 2, 3, 4. My cape, it has four corners has my cape, and had it not four corners, it would not be my cape. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi friends, we've got a lap bounce for you guys. It's called Bouncing, Bouncing, Baby on My Knee. Bouncing, bouncing, baby on my knee. Bouncing, bouncing, 1, 2, 3. Clapping, clapping, baby on my knee. Clapping, clapping, 1, 2, 3. Rocking, rocking, baby on my knee. Rocking, rocking, 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Miss Becca, and we are going to do a lap bounce song for counting. It's called Tick Tock, and it goes like this. Tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, now I'm chiming 1 o'clock. Cuckoo! Tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, now I'm chiming 2 o'clock. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, now I'm chiming 3 o'clock. Cuckoo! 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 Thank you.